Hi there, it's George here, long time no see. It's a spontaneous video. I just ordered Sequoia tree seeds and they arrived. I'm very happy. So I will have again Sequoia. I will put them to germinate. And unfortunately I lost all my Sequoia plants that I had in the past. But now I have seeds, that is good, and I have to put them in the refrigerator to do certification process. So it will take like 1 month, and after 1 month I will plant them in the soil, and I will have again the seeds, beautiful. I hope they are fresh. I don't know why I lose those seeds. Maybe I let them outside, but or maybe I overwatered them too much, or it was too hot outside, not sure. But with this one, if it will germinate, I will keep, in a room with no hot in winter time. It's like cold there, but not outside. I will see. Then when the Sequoia plants will be more mature, more thick on the stems, I will plant into the soil, in the ground. That's it. But now we will start again from seed Sequoia. And beautiful. Will grow like such size, maybe like on this eucalyptus, and I will plant in the ground, or I will see. But yeah. Also, what I have new here, I bought some strawberry plants, and I have to plant them in the garden, but outside raining, and let them grow here. Then the soil will dry. I will go to the garden and plant them, and I let only one here in this greenhouse, and we'll see how it will grow, will bloom under grow light to do an experiment. That's it. Also, this plant I love, it growing such beautiful now in the new greenhouse. Amazing, and blooming, amazing, as you can see. Well, Eucalyptus deglupta you did see, looking nice, but one leaf I can see sick or something. Yeah, I moved a cactus here, maybe will bloom, but not sure when, we'll see. But anyway, in summertime I will move outside this cactus, or we'll see. It's just beautiful with long hair, as you can see. And this eucalyptus is beautiful too. Silver one, variety. Banana plant, doing well. What if I will grow this banana plant in this small greenhouse? It will be like very big and maybe will bloom here, but it's like small space here for banana tree. We'll see. And yesterday I repotted my pineapple. This is like dove, and it's looking so beautiful now. The pot is just for it. Such temperature I have now. It is really nice to be here. Here I planted one watermelon seed. I will do a test how it will grow here. We'll see just. That's it. Was a spontaneous video, an update. Here is Mimosa pudica, how did it grow beautifully. I don't want to touch it right now because it can stress the plant if touching too much. Anyway, so beautiful. Pomegranate trees, I grow like indoor here, like dove, and I cut always, and the stem looks more big now. Papaya was grow beautifully here with very healthy leaves on the top now, and like more big a little bit. And this one we'll see when will grow more and have to repot. Let's do it. So. Also I have put bamboo here, most of bamboo. It was grew a new shoot, as you can see. Amazing. It will grow like tall like this one, I don't know, but we'll see just. It just was a spontaneous video of the greenhouse and my sequoia trees. George was here. Bye bye.